Hey everyone, I am Lini Hajutsu and today we're talking about the top blush mistakes you were probably making. And don't worry, I have made some of these too. Plus, I'm going to spill the tea on K-pop idols' viral blush techniques that will transform your skin instantly. So let's jump right in. We will also talk about She Glam Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio in Sunset Cruise, my first time reviewing this, and spoiler, it's a winner. The first mistake people make is dragging the applicator across their cheeks. Not only does this disrupt your foundation, but it also results in uneven pigmentation. With the She Glam Trio, I'm using light tapping motions to get that beautiful blendable finish. This way, the blush stays on the surface and blends effortlessly without disturbing the makeup underneath. The She Glam Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio in Sunset Cruise offers three stunning shades: mulberry, raspberry, and peach, giving a beautiful range to suit various skin tones. Bonus K-pop idol trick. K-pop idols like Jennie from Blackpink use a stippling technique to create that airbrushed, flawless look. By tapping the brush, you build the color gradually for that soft, natural flush. Mistake number 2. Wrong applicator choice. For example, if you're using a small, dense brush, you're asking for patchy results. Instead, opt for a fluffy, tapered brush for powders to get a soft, diffused look. This She Glam Trio blushes are buildable and blendable pigments, so make sure not to take much blush in one go. Viral K-pop technique. Idols like Sulgi from Red Velvet often use a sponge or cushion applicator for cream blushes. This gives them more control over how much product is applied and allows for precise blending. Blush mistake 3. Placing blush too low, especially below your nostrils, pulls the face downward. Instead, focus on the high points of your cheeks. K-pop idols like Jennie from Blackpink often use this technique for a lifted, youthful look. For the She Glam blushes, you can see there is a bit of glow on my face, so we cannot call these blushes overall matte as they leave a sheen on the skin. Tip: correct placement. Always apply blush above the nostril level on the upper apples of your cheeks and blend upward toward your temples. Viral K-pop technique. If you've ever seen Taeyeon from Girls' Generation, she uses a high blush placement technique that creates a lifted and youthful look. She keeps the blush focused higher on her cheekbones, almost like a natural contour. Blush mistake 4. The placement of your blush should depend on your face shape. If you have a round shape, apply it slightly higher for a slimming effect. Square faces should focus on the apples and blend outward. With the She Glam Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio, the shades allow you to experiment. Use the lighter peach tone for daytime and the deeper mulberry for a bold, sculpted evening look. Also, I noticed that the blushes don't have much fall off, which is great. Viral K-pop idol technique. Ever noticed Nayeon from Twice? She uses a blush draping technique where blush is applied closer to the temples and around the eyes for a soft, youthful glow. It adds dimension to the face without harsh lines. Blush mistake 5. Finally, improper blending. It's crucial to blend. Harsh lines are a no-go in professional makeup. The She Glam Trio is a dream for this. It doesn't leave streaks, just a smooth gradient finish. It's also buildable, so you can start soft and layer up. K-pop technique viral blush trend. A viral blush trend used by K-pop idols is applying blush across the nose bridge for a cute flushed look. Just a small sweep and you've got that youthful K-pop idol glow. Since the Sunset Cruise palette specifically offers a natural, radiant look in terms of user experience, many have praised it for its silky smooth texture and lightweight feel on the skin. K-pop blush technique, Igari or draping. A K-pop idol-inspired technique with blush concentrated on the upper cheeks and near the eyes, mimicking the trendy Igari look. Ever wonder how K-pop idols get that fresh, rosy look? One viral technique is the Igari blush. Apply blush higher up on the cheekbones and even close to the eyes for that youthful doll-like effect. The raspberry shade from the SheGlam trio is perfect for this technique. And there you have it. Avoid these common mistakes or try out some K-pop techniques and you'll be glowing in no time. My final thoughts on the SheGlam Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio: for $6.49, it's a steal. Alcohol-free, vegan, cruelty-free and super pigmented, it's perfect for anyone looking for vibrant, buildable color. All three shades are incredibly versatile and work for both day and night looks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and don't forget to comment. See you later. Bye!